Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 2 from exercise 13.2 chapter 13 exponents and powers. In question number 2, simplify and express each of the following. Each of the following in exponential form again. Each of the following in exponential form. Now the question is say 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 32. Now all the numbers will change in the prime factors. Say 2 cube is already it is a prime number. 3 to the power 4 is also it is a basis prime number, but 4 we will convert it into 2 square. 2 into 2 4. Now 3 is already a prime number, and 32. See, to find the prime factors of 32, we are finding the prime factors of 32. It is 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 2 to the power 5. Understood? To find the prime factors of 32, we are dividing it first by 2. It is 16 by 2, 8 by 2, 4 by 2, 2 by 2 when divided by 2 is 1. So how many 2's you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 to the power 5. Now you have to find the value of this, find the answer of this simplification by using exponential laws. 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 3 plus 2 because they are in into sign, and into 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 into 2 to the power 5. Which law you are using here? As a to the power m, as a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. That is why 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 you have added here. After that 2 to the power 5, and this is division. So when 2 to the power 5 is divided by 2 to the power 5, it will be subtracted into 3 to the power 4, and here it is 1 minus 1. Which laws you are using here? A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Now 2 to the power 5 minus 5, 2 to the power 0, 5 cancel, into 3 to the power 3, and any number to the power 0 you know it is 1. So 1 into 3 cube, 3 to the power 3, 1 into 3 to the power 3, that is 3 to the power 3. You have to give the answer in the exponential form. In the question it is also given. So it is 3 to the power 3. Understood? Now in question number 2, 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 3. That means power of power. Into 5 to the power 4 inside the bracket, or everything is inside the bracket. Then outside divided by 5 to the power 7. You have to do the work inside the bracket. So 5 to the power 2 into 3 power of power into 5 to the power 4 inside the bracket divided by 5 to the power 7. The law you have used here as a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Next 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 4 inside the bracket divided by 5 to the power 7, and inside the bracket you can see that bases are same, powers are different, into sign. So 5 to the power 6 plus 4 divided by 5 to the power 7, as you have used a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, bases are same, powers are different, into sign. Now 5 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 7. Then what you have done, I will do Division sign, bases are same. You need to do subtraction here, minus 7, as a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Next, a to the power 5 to the power 3. Result 10 minus 7, 5 to the power 3. Understood? Question number 3. 25 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 3. 25 is not a prime number. So first you express it in as a prime factors. 25 means 5 to the power 2, 5 into 5. Then whole to the power 4. As instead of 25 I can write 5 square, 5 into 5. Then divide whole to the power 4 divided by 5 cube. Now 5 to the power 2 into 4 divided by 5 cube. As you know, power of power, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Now 5 to the power 8 divided by 5 to the power 3. Again division sign. So 5 to the power 8 minus 3, as a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n, 8 minus 3. So 5 to the power 5. The answer is 5 to the power 5. You have to give the answer in exponential form. Come to the next sum. In this sum, you can see 3 into 7 square, 7 to the power 2 into 11 to the power 8, 21 into 11 to the power 3. Only this one is not in prime numbers, so first you convert it into prime numbers. 3 into 7 to the power 2 into 11 to the power 8. After that 21 means 3 into 7 into 11 to the power 3. Now you can see that bases are same in, but they are in division condition. So you will do 3 to the power 3 to the power 1 minus 1, here also power 1, here also power 1, so 1 minus 1 into 7 to the power 2 minus 1, here 7 to the power 1 into 11 to the power 8 minus 3. Why you are doing this? Because you know that as a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Now 3 to the power 0, 1 minus 1 0 into 7 to the power 2 minus 1 means 1. I will not write 1 because you can see that 1 we are not writing, only 7. Then 11 to the power 5. So 1 into 7 into 11 to the power 5, or you can write 7 into 11 to the power 5. Understood? Now come to the next sum. Question number 5. 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 4 plus 3, as a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Into sign, basis same, powers different. You will add the power. Now 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 7. Therefore 3 to the power 7 minus 7. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. That is 3 to the power 0 or 1. You can write the answer in this way, or it is you can write in this way also. Next, come to the next sum. Next sum, question number 6, last one for today's class work. 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 means 1, plus 3 to the power 0 also 1, plus 4 to the power 0 is also 1, as a to the power 0, anything to the any base to the power 0 will be 1. So the result is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Understood? I hope these sums are very easy for you. You need to practice. Thank you, students.